Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a spicy and mouth-watering Nigerian puff puff using some fresh peppers and onions. Without wasting your time, let's dive into the video. For this recipe, I'll be using 4 cups of all-purpose flour, which I've already sifted into my mixing bowl. And I have here 1 medium-sized onions chopped, and also some fresh peppers. Put pepper according to your pepper tolerance. And into the flour, I'll be adding half cup of granulated sugar. Feel free to add more if you want. You can add up to a cup of sugar to it. And I will also be adding 1 tablespoon of instant active yeast. If you are not using instant yeast, then mix it in a cup of warm water with a tablespoon of sugar so that it can proof or activate. Then I will mix it very well before adding other ingredients. I then add a teaspoon of nutmeg for flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. You can use cinnamon also. And then half a teaspoon of salt. Mix very well again. And then we bring in our liquid ingredients. For my liquid ingredients, I'm using 1/3 cup of milk, liquid milk, and 2 cups of water, and they are all warm water and warm milk. But I did not add the 2 cups of water at the same time. Add it gradually until you get the texture you want. I'm okay with this texture and consistency, so I used 2 cups of warm water for this. When it gets proofed, it will still get lighter. When I keep it now to rest for some minutes, it will get lighter than this, so I'm okay with this. The next step now is to add our pepper and the onions. Mix everything very well. Cover with clean film and kitchen towel. Keep in a warm place and allow to rest for about 40 to 60 minutes. And here is after 40 minutes. Our peppered puff puff batter is doubled in size and ready to be fried. And my vegetable oil is already heating on the stove. And once I dip this skewer or spatula in the oil and the scissors, I know that it is ready to accept the dough or batter. So we'll start frying. Using my ice cream scooper, I'll be scooping the batter into the oil. Please pardon the shape of this, but at the end of the day, it was so delicious. And I'll continue to flip the puff puff at intervals so that it can fry evenly. And remember not to use very hot oil. Your heat should be on medium. After about 8 to 10 minutes of frying and flipping over, you must have gotten this golden color. Then it is time to remove from the oil. I will repeat the process until I've fried all the puff puff batter that I have. Yo, and here we have our delicious peppered and onion Nigerian puff puff. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also share the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you all for watching. I love you all. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. Bye bye.